Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to pause the workout on this watch. First I'm gonna start the workout. And let's say you have the workout going already and you want to pause it. You can do it by pressing the start button twice or once, depending on the reaction. Sometimes you need to press it twice, sometimes you need to press it once. You can also resume it by pressing the start button, like this. And if you pause it, after a few seconds, the menu will appear on the screen. And here you have the resume option if you want to resume the workout. You have also save, resume later, lap, back to start rather, my bad. Recovery heart rate and discard at the bottom. And you have this option here called resume later. And basically what it does, it allows you to pause the workout. It will minimize it and then you can come back to it later by tapping on this icon right here at the top of the screen. There's the workout icon. If it's missing, sometimes it might be missing, open the menu, the notification menu by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and the icon should reappear. And once you want to resume the workout, you can tap on this icon, it will bring you back and you can resume the workout again by just tapping on the resume or pressing the start button. Okay, and that's how you pause the workout or not workout activity on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.